The Tamichi route is not a hiking trail, but rather an unmarked, unmaintained, strenuous, scrambling path into the Black Canyon wilderness. The route drops 1,960 feet in just 1 mile, making it the steepest route on the South Rim. The round-trip distance of 2 miles takes an average of 5 to 6 hours. Those who choose this route should be comfortable scrambling on loose dirt and rock for the entire route. Though special equipment is not needed, hikers will encounter multiple down climbs that require using hands and feet on rocky surfaces. Hikers must obtain a wilderness use permit before their trip, must comply with the conditions of the permit, and must carry it with them on their hike. The most direct way to access the start of the route is from the Tamichi Point Overlook. Begin by facing the canyon and walking to the right, down a sidewalk and stairs to the Rim Rock Trail. Continue on the Rim Rock Trail to the right, traveling south toward the South Rim Campground. A wooden post, labeled number 13, is located near the beginning of the route. A Black Canyon Wilderness sign lies behind this post. This marks the start of the route. Hikers must rely on themselves to find their way down and up the route, since there are no signs or markers along the way. The route begins as a steep path of loose dirt that winds through bushes and trees. About 1/4 of the way down the route, the first down climb begins. Gloves can be useful if desired, especially on sharp, hot rock. Take special note of where you came from before the down climb. On the way back up, many hikers travel off-route after this section. Look behind you for trees or other landmarks that you will recognize on the ascent. After a series of down climbs, the remainder of the route consists of fields of steep, loose rock and boulders. Be sure to look for landmarks as the route continues. Along the way, several lone pine trees and a group of 3 dead trees make memorable points of reference. Continually look behind you for rock gullies that intersect with the main path. These gullies are often misleading on the ascent. Use extra caution when hiking in a group or when passing other groups. Loose rocks and boulders can roll long distances and can pose hazards to fellow hikers. Put extra space between yourself and others to promote everyone's safety. If you kick a rock loose, yell, "Rock!" to alert nearby hikers. The route will be in full sun for most of the day. Be sure to hydrate and replenish electrolytes throughout the hike. We suggest bringing at least 4 liters of water per person per day. Sports drinks, salty snacks, and a water filter are also helpful. At the bottom, hikers may explore along the river for about a half a mile as the 2,000-foot Black Canyon walls tower above. Upstream, Flat Rock Falls shows the power of the Gunnison River. Due to the cold, rushing nature of the river, swimming is not recommended. Fishing is available with a Colorado fishing license. Gold medal water regulations apply. Be sure to follow principles of leave no trace while enjoying the wilderness. Consider using a WAG bag to pack out human waste. Those staying overnight should camp on a worn, durable surface. The rocky nature of the river corridor limits camping to just a few small areas. On the hike up, follow the landmarks you identified on the descent to help you stay on the route. Pay special attention in areas where the route splits into multiple rock gullies. Being prepared, making good choices, and being willing to turn back if necessary are the first steps to a safe and self-reliant trip into the Black Canyon Wilderness.